हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम। आज हम यहाँ पे यूआईआईसी मतलब यूनाइटेड इंडिया इंश्योरेंस कंपनी का जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑफिसर है एओ पोस्ट, उसका फाइनेंस पोस्ट के लिए अपन इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज यहाँ पे अपन सॉल्व कर रहे हैं। इसके पहले भी अपन ने कुछ एमसीक्यूज सॉल्व किए हैं, लेकिन ये जो है ये इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज है जो एग्जाम के एंड से मैंने यहाँ पे क्रिएट किए। ओके, तो वीडियो को पूरा देख लीजिएगा। जिन्होंने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है वो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा ताकि एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन भी आपको मिल जाए। प्लस NIACL एंड SBI क्लर्क की भी अपन सीरीज स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं 26 दिसंबर से, तो वो भी आप वॉच कीजिएगा। उसके भी आप फॉर्म फिल कर दीजिएगा। ठीक है, पूरा 1 मंथ का प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रेटेजी है, उसका मैंने एक वीडियो बना के रखा है, वो भी वीडियोज आप देख लीजिएगा कि कैसी प्रिपरेशन और कैसी स्ट्रेटेजी रहने वाली है। ठीक है, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं अपन फाइनेंस के क्वेश्चन। तो देखिए यहाँ पे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कि विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ मनी मार्केट इंस्ट्रूमेंट। तो यहाँ पे देखिए कॉर्पोरेट बॉन्ड जो होता है वो मनी मार्केट इंस्ट्रूमेंट नहीं होता, लेकिन ट्रेजरी बिल, कमर्शियल पेपर्स एंड सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ डिपॉजिट ये मनी मार्केट इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, लेकिन कॉर्पोरेट बॉन्ड नहीं है। ओके, नेक्स्ट सेकंड, अ फ्यूचर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ऑब्लिगेट्स। तो फ्यूचर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मतलब क्या होता है कि बोथ पार्टीज टू ट्रांसैक्ट एट अ स्पेसिफाइड फ्यूचर डेट। नेक्स्ट थर्ड, in fundamental analysis, which ratio measure company ability to cover its interest obligation? The answer is interest coverage ratio. Okay. Next, fourth, which financial instrument has a fixed maturity and pay regular interest? The answer is corporate bonds. Okay. Next, fifth, a swap contract typically involve. तो सॉफ्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मतलब क्या होता है कि एक्सचेंजिंग कैश फ्लो बिटवीन टू पार्टीज। नेक्स्ट सिक्स, व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ पोर्टफोलियो डाइवर्सिफिकेशन। तो पोर्टफोलियो डाइवर्सिफिकेशन मतलब क्या, रिड्यूसिंग अनसिस्टमैटिक रिस्क। नेक्स्ट सेवन, which term describe stock sensitivity to market movement? Answer is beta stock. Okay. Next, 8. The intrinsic value of option depends on. Answer is the difference between stock price and the strike price. Next, ninth, the main regulatory authority for securities market in India is. Answer is SEBI. Next, 10th, which market is primarily used for short-term borrowing and lending? The answer is money market. Next, 11th, which theory suggests that stock price reflect all available information? The answer is efficiency market hypothesis. Next, 12th, which of the following measure a company profitability? Answer is return on equity. Okay. Next, 13, in valuation, the present value of expected future cash flow represent. So answer is intrinsic value. Next, 14, a mutual fund that track a stock index is known as index fund. Next, 15, which financial model estimate the cost of equity? The answer is CAPM. Okay. Next, 16, what term refers to reducing risk by taking opposite position in related market? Answer is hedging. Next, 70. Currency risk is most relevant to. Answer is foreign investment. Next, 18. What does value at risk measure? Answer is maximum potential loss in a specified period. Next, 19. What type of risk arise from interest rate fluctuation? The answer is interest rate risk. Next, 20. Which regulation framework oversees global banking standard? The answer is Basel III. Next, 21. Which type of investment fund allows investor to trade unit like stock on an exchange? The answer is exchange traded fund. Next, 22. Which ratio indicate how efficiently a company use its assets to generate revenue? The answer is asset turnover ratio. Next, 23. Which market deal with contract for future delivery of commodity? The answer is commodity market. Next, 24. Which financial instrument allows right but not the obligation of buy or sell an asset. The answer is option contract. Next 25. What is the primary objective of corporate finance? The answer is wealth maximization. Next 26. Which term define company capital structure based on debts and equity proportion? The answer is debt to equity ratio. Next 27. Which valuation method use projected future cash flow discounted to the present? The answer is discounted cash flow. Next 28. What does financial modeling typically involve? The answer is developing mathematical representation of business scenario. Next 29. Which strategy focus on investing in undervalued stock? The answer is value investing. Next 30. The cost of equity is estimated using which financial model? The answer is capital asset pricing model. Next 31. Which of the following measure a company liquidity? The answer is current ratio. Next 32. Which investment strategy balance asset to reduce risk? The answer is diversification. Next 33. What term describes the spread between bond yield and benchmark rate? The answer is yield spread. Next 34. Which analysis focus on past market data to forecast future price movement? The answer is technical analysis. Next 35. Which of the following refers to the concept that market are efficient and reflect all available information? The answer is efficient market hypothesis. Next 36. Which international financial institutions set banking capital standard? The answer is Bank for International Settlement. Next 37. What is the primary focus on Basel III regulation? The answer is banking stability and risk management. Next 38. Which measure access the maximum potential loss over a specified time frame at a given confidence level? The answer is value at risk. Next 39. Which of the following is the primary example of alternative investment? The answer is real estate. Next 40. Currency risk management primary address exposure to? The answer is foreign exchange rate changes. Next 41. Which type of merger occur between companies operating in same industry? The answer is horizontal merger. Next 42. Which financial statement report company cash inflow and outflow? The answer is cash flow statement. Next 43. Which of the following ratio measure company profitability? The answer is net profit margin. Next 44. Which type of financial risk arise from interest rate fluctuation? The answer is interest rate risk. Next 45. Which financial tools measure the sensitivity of bonds price to changes in interest rate? The answer is modified duration. Next 46. Which statement style focus on security expected to grow faster than market average? The answer is growth investing. Next 47. Which budgeting method involve setting budget based on projected future performance? The answer is flexible budgeting. Next 48. Which of the following best define solvency? तो solvency के लिए ability to meet long term obligations. Next 49. Which financial model is used to value option? Answer is Black-Scholes model. Next 50. Which term describe the expected return on a portfolio based on asset proportion? Answer is weighted average return. Next 51. Which financial statement analysis technique involve comparing ratio across period? Answer is horizontal analysis. Next 52. Which strategy is used to reduce exposure to risk by taking offsetting proposition? Answer is next 53. Which type of financial market deal with short-term debt instrument? The answer is money market. Next 54. Which valuation method use market price of comparable companies to estimate a company value? The answer is market multiple approach. Next 55. Which asset allocation strategy involve periodically rebalancing a portfolio to its obligation or original allocation? The answer is strategic asset allocation. Next 56. Which of the following measure a mutual fund annual performance adjusted for risk? The answer is Sharpe ratio. Next 57. Which currency risk management technique involves locking in exchange rate for future transaction? The answer is forward contract. Next 58. What is the minimum capital adequacy ratio required under the Basel III? Answer is 8%. Next 59. Which type of risk arise from borrower defaulting on financial obligation? Answer is credit risk. Next 60. Which financial instrument represent ownership in a company? Answer is equity shares. Next 61. Which type of derivatory contract gives the holder the right but not the obligation to buy or sell an asset? Answer is option contract. Next 62. Which instrument strategy involves selecting undervalued stock based on intrinsic value? Answer is value investing. Next 63. Which risk metric measure the maximum potential loss of an investment over a specific period? Answer is value at risk. Next 64. Which financial statement provide information about company profitability over a period? Answer is income statement. Next 65. Which of the following is the feature of exchanges trade fund? Answer is trade on stock exchanges. Next 66. What does the capital structure of company represent? Answer is mix of debt and equity financing. Next 67. Which ratio measure company ability to cover its short-term liability, which is the most liquid asset? Answer is quick ratio. Next 68. Which method evaluate the efficiency of an investment portfolio by comparing return per unit of risk? Answer is Sharpe ratio. Next 69. Which approach to portfolio management focus on matching investment to financial goal and risk tolerance? The answer is strategic asset allocation. Next 70. Which financial ratio measure the return on stock shareholder equity? The answer is return on equity. Okay. Next 71. Which term describe the process of combining asset to reduce risk? Answer is diversification. Next 72. Which financial instrument allows company to exchange fixed and floating interest rate? The answer is interest rate swap. Next 73. Which type of risk is reduced through international diversification? Answer is unsystematic risk. Next 74. Which valuation method discounts future cash flow to present value? The answer is discounted cash flow. Next 75. What does the efficient market hypothesis state about stock price? The answer is stock price reflect all available information. Next 76. Which risk is associated with the inability to convert an asset into cash quickly? Answer is liquidity risk. Next 77. Which measure evaluate the financial health of a company by accessing its ability to meet long-term debt obligation? Answer is solvency ratio. Next 78. Which financial concept access the proportion of earning distribution as a dividend? Answer is dividend payout ratio. Next 79. Which alternative investment involve buying and managing private company? The answer is private equity. Next, 80. Which international financial market activity involves the trading of currencies? The answer is forex market. Next, 81. Which ratio measure company operational efficiency by comparing net income to total revenue? The answer is profit margin ratio. Next, 82. Which investment vehicle pull fund from investor to invest in diversified portfolio of securities? Answer is mutual fund. Next, 83. Which financial term refers to the market total value of company outstanding share? Answer is market capitalization. Next, 84. Which financial tool is used to hedge against adverse currency fluctuations? The answer is forward contract. Next, 85. Which measure assess the sensitivity of bond price to changes in interest rate? The answer is duration. Next, 86. Which market participant benefits from falling assets price in derivative trading? The answer is short seller. Next, 87. Which valuation approach use price multiples such as PE or PB ratio? Answer is relative valuation. Next, 88. Which financial statement shows company financial position at a specified point in a time? Answer is balance sheet. Next, 89. Which investment trust strategy focus on high dividend paying stock for regular income? Answer is dividend investing. Next, 90. Which regulatory framework was developed to strengthen bank capital requirement and reduce financial risk? Answer is Basel III. Next, 91. Which term describe the allocation of fund among various asset classes to balance risk and return? Answer is asset allocation. Next, 92. Which type of mutual fund primarily invest in bond and fixed income security? Answer is income fund. Next, 93. Which financial analysis method focus on company past performance and future prospectus? Answer is fundamental analysis. Next, 94. Which type of merger occur between companies at different stage of production? Answer is vertical merger. Next, 95. Which financial concept explain how investor react irrationally to market event? Answer is behavioral finance. Next, 96. Which investment performance measure compare return to risk free rate? Answer is Sharpe ratio. Next, 97. Which of the following is best describe an exchange traded fund? Answer is index tracking and traded on exchanges. Next, 98. Which investment risk involve losses due to borrower's default? Answer is credit risk. Next, 99. Which term describe the risk of changes in interest rate affecting bond price? Answer is interest rate risk. Next, 100. Which type of financial instrument is a contract to buy or sell an asset at future date and price? Answer is future. नेक्स्ट जो वीडियो रहेगा वो अपना एक्सपेक्टेड एमसीक्यूज रहेगा प्लस एनआईएसएल एंड एसबीआई की जो सीरीज स्टार्ट की है वो भी आप ज्वाइन कर लीजिएगा जो 26 दिसंबर से स्टार्ट हो रही है। तब तक के लिए थैंक यू।